We have something nice coming up. Keep watching and make sure you watch to the end. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Chizoba, Cheesy for sure. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Doha. Come on, say hi. My baby. Yeah, I'm going to see my friends. We have something, like I said, we have something nice coming up. Keep watching. This is so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today we have a special guest in the house and she's Cheesy. Okay guys, welcome back. I will leave her link just right there below the description box. So guys, how are you guys doing? You guys met us well though. You see this? This is life. So nice. Life that once. I'm telling you. You have to enjoy when you are alive. Thank God we can afford it. Those of us breathing, we don't know what the Lord has done for us. I'm telling you. With the happenings in the world, like every day when we wake up in the morning, we should just thank God, you know, and just make the best out of the day. So guys, today we are having chicken barbecue. This is from a Turkish restaurant. It's very good. And you know, please, this is kumbus. How do you call your own? Kubus. Here in the Arab world, you say kumbus. Me, I call it kubus. So which one is correct? I don't know. Guys, if you are here in Doha, please tell us. So, is it kumbus or kubus? Please, we don't know. We are confused. So this is really very tasty and it's nice. As you guys can see, like the chicken. Everything is so good though. It's so good. Literally. So today we just want to like come to you guys. Let's have a chit chat about the happenings in Nigeria because it's becoming very alarming. Very. 2 days back, I read a story about a photo guy. When did we get to this point in Nigeria? You saw someone unconscious. Instead of you to like do something, give first aid, like do something, they were just eating granite, going back and forth. I thought there was no money paid. They'll have to wait until when there's money paid. If you can remember, that has been the system in Nigeria. This is school clinic, like medicals were paid, right? Okay, school clinic. This is why the stuff happened. And you know, this guy just died like that, like out of carelessness. Nurse come, nurse put drip, nurse do this. Nurse was busy going up and down. They were like telling the student to carry him and go somewhere else. Another hospital. So there was no first aid. You couldn't even give any first aid, maybe to resuscitate him. Since he fainted, he was like unconscious. Nothing was done. Like, what is happening in Nigeria? I don't understand. And you know the painful part of it. This guy, he was supposed to come out with first class. I don't know. Like, I was just thinking, what will his mom do? It was so painful. Like, I felt the pain. Like a grown guy, so cute, just like that. Nigerian hospitals, medicals in Nigeria, I don't know how they are gambling with people's life on a daily basis. And this issue of gunmen, agree or non-gunmen, please, what do you have to say about this issue? Because me, myself, I'm not understanding it. I'm so scared though. Me that carry Nigerian mat on my head and bread, I'm not selling again. Broad daylight. What is happening in Nigeria? Is it so scary? Is it that bad? So scary. Yeah. Me myself, I don't understand. I went online this morning and I saw one of my friends on her WhatsApp status. She made a video. She was like very happy that for 2 days they've not heard gunshots in Owerri. And I'm thinking to myself, like, is it not normal to hear gunshots to the extent that somebody is celebrating that for just 2 days they've not had any gunshots and running upside down? So guys, what do you really think about happenings in Nigeria? Not just in Imo State now. Not just in Imo State too. Like everywhere. The government, they are not even saying anything about it. Like, they are acting so unbothered. Citizens are dying. The youths are perishing. Mostly the youths.
The youth, our youth.
So who will not be the leaders of tomorrow?
You know.
Yeah, I don't understand what is happening.
I'm confused.
So guys, please just tell us below the comment section what you think. Like what this government, what is their plan? Do they want to finish everybody, all the youths in Nigeria? Because obviously they are not dying. They are just getting stronger by the day. I don't even know what the case is again. Really, I don't know. And guys, please, before I forget, this is not alcohol. Okay? Just for the record, this is just a fruit drink, and this is milk, a milk drink. Please, and this is juice, this is water. So we don't take alcohol. Okay? So that is just it though. My gosh, guys, come and join us. We cannot eat this alone. What about that vacant in Nigeria? I heard that there are some colors of clothes you will wear. They will ask you, and that's where you belong.
So Stephen, I heard.
What is this now?
Most important thing, if you're going now, be sure you come back very early.
That is just the watchword.
Come back very early.
I'm telling you, that is just a precaution to take, because some people even go early, come back early, but still on their way coming back early, they will not catch them and do whatever. But then again, we have to take some necessary precautions, right? So that is it. Yeah. When I tasted this platter, I fell in love with it. Like, I love this stuff mainly because of the kumbus. It has chips also.
Now they will give you ambassador of kumbus.
I'm telling you, no, ambassador of kumbus in barbecue.
Okay.
Because if you give me kumbus like this, I don't like it. But then I don't know what it is about this one in this plate that I love so much. You don't know. And the chicken,
but it's nice.
well roasted.
It's nice.
This is life. Young girl, really. I don't want to watch Nigeria again.
That means in 2 years time.
No. Hey, 2 years is fine. Don't do that. Don't be that harsh. We can't run away from Nigeria. It's still our country. We love Nigeria. Believe me, you want to. If not because of all the ongoing gunmen and unknown gunmen shooting up and down, maybe this year I would have considered coming back home.
Same with me.
But then again, guys, who doesn't like our life? I read, was it sometime last month, about a guy that came back from abroad. He had some projects. Then
From Germany.
Yeah.
When they click at the airport.
That one is another one.
Okay.
This one is, he employs services of all these security personnel that will follow him.
Okay.
Do you know the person that killed him is a security personnel and now carried this car and ran away? Like, what is this? What type of story is this now? Shape I've seen. Someone you paid to even whatever they want to do to the guy now, there is a dead person in the picture. He can't wake up again.
Can't wake up.
So
rise again.
For real, like everybody has to vacant in Nigeria. I heard that there are some colors of clothes you will wear. They will ask you, and that's where you belong.
So Stephen, I heard.
What is this now?
Most important thing, if you're going now, be sure you come back very early.
That is just the watchword.
Come back very early.
I'm telling you, that is just a precaution to take, because some people even go early, come back early, but still on their way coming back early, they will not catch them and do whatever. But then again, we have to take some necessary precautions, right? So that is it. Okay, guys, we just got to drop by, have a chit chat, and also know how you guys are doing. Please, for those of us in Nigeria, stay safe. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
I was talking with somebody and I was like, she was narrating to me up and down. At the end of the day, what can I say?
I love this time.
I only told her, okay, with time, everything will be fine by God's grace. Like, it was as if what I said was pouring salt on a wound. She said, which God's grace? Nothing will happen again. Like Nigeria, we don't know what's happening. And I told her, like, what do you want me to say again? I don't know what to say again, but then it is what it is. So we have to just be careful. Okay, guys, do let us know in the comment section if you enjoyed our video. Please give it a thumbs up, share our videos, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed.
I'm sorry, oh. I kept eating this food. This chicken is so nice.
And,
Hey, so
and
similar.
if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch our videos. And then, just what do you have to tell them?
Thanks for watching. Love you.
Bye, guys.